You may often wonder why Linux users use the alias command. Because it allows the creation of a shortcut in the command line. This is very useful for developers who frequently need to type similar complex commands, and it saves a lot of precious time. So let's dive into the video to know its syntax, options, along with 3 practical examples using the alias command. The Linux alias command is used as a shortcut to take a string that can execute a command and replaces it with another string of text. This command can replace a large complex command with a relatively simple string and use that command many times. Professionals use this command a lot to increase their functionality. The syntax is alias, option, name, equal sign, and then the value. Here you must keep the command or value inside a quotation. You can use either a single quotation or a double quotation. As there is no man page for this alias command, you can try out the alias --help to learn more about it. Also, there are not many options available for this alias command. But if you want to list all available aliases in the command line, run aliases -p. And one more thing, to remove an alias, you need to use another command called the unalias command. Creating a temporary alias is easy, but one thing you need to remember, a temporary alias only remains until the terminal is closed. To create one, open your terminal and type alias ll equal single quote ls -l, then closing the single quotation. Now press enter and a new alias has been created. Now to check, type ln in your terminal and again type ls-l and hit enter, and both gives the same output. That means the assigned alias is working correctly. If you want to display all the available aliases, you can use alias or alias-p option, and this will list all the aliases in the system. Let's do it. Type alias and hit enter, and you can see all the alias list, and again type alias -p. Again hit enter, and look, both commands show all the set aliases in the system. Sometimes you may need to create a permanent alias that will remain in the command line permanently. To do that, you need to edit a file named .bashrc, which is a hidden file. To access the file, type nano ~bashrc. The command will open the nano text editor to edit the .bashrc file. Now hit enter and scroll down in the alias section. Here is the alias section. Now type the custom aliases you want to make permanent, like alias dl equal sign single quote cd desktop / closing the single quotation. So if I type dl in the terminal, then my directory will be navigated to the desktop folder. For your information, you can type these new custom aliases anywhere you want. But I recommend you to type it in the alias section, as it will keep the file tidy and later on find it easy to customize. Now press Ctrl+S to save the file and Ctrl+X to exit. Now to load the file, type bash and hit enter. Rather, you can also close the terminal and open a new one to do the same. And then to check the aliases, enter the command alias. Hit enter, and you can see that the aliases I have assigned dl equal to cd desktop has been set permanently. I hope now you know the use of the alias command in Linux and how they increase productivity and functionality. To be a professional, you need to practice aliases in your day-to-day usage of Linux. So keep learning and practicing. Goodbye.